Happy New Year, everyone. I'm here to talk to you about Bitcoin. This is going to be a really important video to start out 2023. Let's take a look at tradeconfident.io. Here we are on the website, scrolling down to Bitcoin metrics. First up, we're looking at the emotional index here, and over the weekends, the price moved up for Bitcoin. This is great to see, and we are about to push into neutral territory. Currently, we are still in anxious though, so it is still bullish for the time being. What I'm looking for at this point is a slight move up from here. Next up, we're looking at long versus short trades. Let me show you this. It looks like short trades have dropped out of the market in recent weeks, while long trades have stayed really high. There is a small downtick right here for long trades, but it doesn't look like anything significant. And as you can see, the spread between long and short trades is enormous. This is very long-term bullish. Next up, we're looking at the smart money sentiment chart. There is long trade sentiment for whales. Where whale money goes, that's where the price is going to go to. So if whales are putting in long trades, we're going to get that spike in price that we saw over the weekend. Let me show you the volatility breakout detector here for Bitcoin. We are still in low volatility. However, it is beginning to rise, and we may start to see bars poke up against low volatility, pushing towards higher volatility, showing we could be seeing some bigger moves in the market coming up. This comes after a larger move up in Bitcoin again over the weekend. And right now, it looks like we could be heading into higher volatility soon. This is going to be really important to pay attention to. There is strong structure support at 16,283. But back here, we also need to be paying attention to this 18,300, 18,100 level. Somewhere in here, I think, is going to be strong structure resistance that we need to be paying attention to over the next probably couple of weeks at this point for Bitcoin. I'll show you when we get to the live charts later in this video, but I think we could be pushing up pretty far soon. Last but not least, we're looking at the daily trade scanner for Bitcoin. Currently, the price is still under the blue line. Nothing crazy to report here, but as the price moves up, we could be looking for sell signals soon, which would indicate a move back down. I think it's possible we're going to continue seeing that price move up, possibly using this blue line here as structure resistance. We'll have to keep you updated on that one. These sell and buy signals are incredible. Now, I have to let you know you can get access to all of these metrics at tradeconfident.io. The links are in the description for your convenience. It'll bring you to this page right here, and you can actually get a 7-day free trial. So if you want to just see what these indicators are about, if you want to ask any questions, just feel free to reach out to us and we'd be happy to help out. With that, let me take you to the 4-hour time frame. I'm going to run through these real quickly. I have 3 time frames to show you. Right now, we are on the 1 week, and you can see that the price versus one money flow is crazy high. It's at about 54, while we are at the bottom support level of a bear flag pattern. As the trend exhaustion gets higher, which I think we'll see over the next few days, I think this is where we could get the breakout for the bear flag pattern right here. This is where things get interesting though. We are at a current structure resistance of about $16,700 with the trend exhaustion extremely high, actually topping out on the chart, and the price versus well money flow high as well. With that, before any moves up can happen, I think we could see a move down to meet structure support here at the bear flag support. At this point, what I'm thinking we could see happen is maybe a move up to that structure resistance at about 17,000 up here. That's where we're getting previous sell signals as well. If we do see that, I think it could be rejected, guys. This one's a really tough call at the beginning of the year. We're likely to see more volatility. Indicators are showing split, but for now, I think the easiest thing to call, the most likely thing to call, is a rejection at the structure resistance at 16,700 for a drop back down to meet structure support at the support on the bear flag. I think this is going to play out over the next few days. We'll have to keep you updated throughout the week as indicators become more clear. Once we get an alignment from the metrics and multiple timeframes on the indicators, those are the jackpot calls that we're looking for. I mean, look, the last time the indicators were high, price versus well money flow, trend exhaustion high right here. We even got some sell signals right here. We saw a massive move down. So with that, I think that's what we're going to be having to look out for. If we do break past this resistance level up to here with the area where the sell signals are, with the price versus well money flow and trend exhaustion high, that's where I'm going to be looking for a move down. Now, this is short term. We'll have to keep you updated as things play out. I'll give you a Bitcoin update later in the week. Now, if you want to get access to these indicators, you can find them at the links in the description below. They are incredible. They are making people tons and tons of money. If you don't believe me, just click the link in the description. It'll bring you to this page right here to purchase the indicators. The best possible deal, pay attention to this one right here, is to purchase the bundle pack. This will give you a $400 off coupon for the TC top and bottom finder, which means you can get all 11 of Trade Confidence indicators for just the price of the TC top and bottom finder alone. It's our best possible deal, so if you want to get access to those, links are in the description. And again, one more time, you can get access to our membership with a free trial in the description below as well. With that, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the next video.